careful with that camera. It's waterproof. It is?
Yeah, it's waterproof camera.
Oh yeah, remember that day when we went to somewhere?
Wetlands.
Yeah, wetlands. And then you brought that camera. I just want to touch the water. Yeah. John's corn. Dave's corn. Uh-oh.
Oh, you didn't know it was like a roller coaster, Dylan?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you it was a roller coaster.
Dylan likes roller coasters.
I hate it. I hate roller coasters.
Oh, it's going fast too. Here it goes.
My cousin screams better than you. He screams like a girl all the time. Bye-bye. Oh, you better not be laughing. Bye.
Woo, that's cold.
I hit my head. Oh, that really hurts. Bye. Later. What are you talking about? Me screaming like a girl. You are a girl. I know.
But she's supposed to.
Here's how I scream like a boy. Oh. That won't hurt you. Just a little bit. Okay, go try. What is it? Oh, I see a rainbow. Yay! We're gonna fall. Bye.
Yep, we're going. Ah!
It went under us. Oh my God! We've been down for the last minute! You're it will spray in him. Oh my Here it comes. Don't. No! I told you, here it comes. I'm gonna ride it again. Uh-oh. Here comes another one coming for us. They're gonna hit us! No, I didn't! No! Well,
you have to get back in line though, so you have to let them leave.
I'll
gonna do it again, Dylan?
Awesome! Oh man, I don't want the fans to make me cold. Fans make me cold. I hate fans. I hate fans.
That was awesome! Let's do it again!
Splash Country, you would be more wetter than this.
He's been to Splash Country. We went last year.
Yeah, they have a lazy river.
I know. I've been in the lazy river.
Me too.
You know, I jumped off a diving board into 12 feet. Doesn't really scare me. That does. Bird poop! Whoa.
They're coming.
Have fun. Get wet.
And ready? Set. And
Watch you don't jerk.
Woo!
That's your night.